How to customize WhatsApp notification sounds on Android. Hello everyone, this is Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. First of all, open WhatsApp application. Then after tap on these three dots, tap on settings. Scroll down to notifications. Then after tap on notification tone. And here you will get multiple options. You can choose your notification sounds from theme, your music album, recordings or any downloaded music options. So here I am choosing theme. Then you will have multiple albums and you can choose any one of them and you will get multiple choice to select the ringtone. Then after choose any one of them and tap on this ring icon. Then after tap on OK. After tapping on OK, the tone will be selected to your WhatsApp notification. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.